We all know about internal combustion engines, the heart of most cars, motorcycles, and machines we use daily. But have you ever heard of an external combustion engine? Probably not. It's a bit of a forgotten technology, overshadowed by its more common cousin, the internal combustion engine. But believe it or not, external combustion engines played a major role in shaping the modern world. An external combustion engine, or EC engine, is quite different from what we're used to. In an internal combustion engine, fuel burns inside the engine to create power. But in an external combustion engine, the fuel is burned outside the engine and that heat is used to power the engine. The most well-known example is the steam engine, where fuel like coal or wood burns in a boiler to heat water, turning it into steam. This steam is then used to push a piston or spin a turbine, creating mechanical energy. External combustion engines were the workhorses of the Industrial Revolution. They powered steam locomotives, ships, and factories, driving the global economy in the 18th and 19th centuries. So how does an external combustion engine work? It's quite simple in theory. First, fuel like coal or wood burns in a boiler. This creates heat, which is transferred to water, turning it into steam. The steam is then directed into a cylinder where it pushes a piston up and down, converting the energy from the steam into mechanical motion. This mechanical movement can be used to power a variety of machines or even generate electricity. Aside from steam engines, there are other types of external combustion engines, like the Stirling engine. This engine operates by heating a gas inside a sealed chamber, causing it to expand and push a piston. Stirling engines are much quieter and more efficient than steam engines, and they are still used today in some specialized applications, such as in solar power generation. External combustion engines have both advantages and disadvantages compared to internal combustion engines. On the plus side, they can use a wide variety of fuels from coal and wood to even waste materials, and they typically require less maintenance than internal combustion engines. Plus, since the combustion happens outside, the engine components aren't subjected to the intense heat of burning fuel, but they are slower to respond to changes in load and tend to be bulkier. Efficiency can also be lower because of energy lost in heat transfer and the complexity of the system. So, while internal combustion engines might dominate the modern world, the external combustion engine still has a rich legacy. Its ability to power machines using heat from burning fuel far outside the engine itself helped shape the world we know today. Next time you hear about engines, remember, there's more to the story than just the engines in your car. The external combustion engine deserves its place in history and maybe even in the future.